Hello everyone, it's Living Online here for Server.pro, and today I'll be telling you all the news about the 1.20 Minecraft update. Firstly, we'll be starting off with essentials you need to know about the 1.20 update. During the Minecraft Live 2022 event in October, Mojang revealed that Minecraft 1.20 will be released in 2023, presumably in January considering their previous release patterns. Moreover, with over 50% of the votes, this Sniffer has won the Minecraft Mob Vote 2022 and is coming into the game in the 1.20 update. This mob will also feature a baby version, opening up more breeding possibilities. The Sniffer mob is supposed to sniff out seeds for new and unique plants in the world, and we think it'll open up doors for new types of Minecraft farms. Moving on, as revealed during Minecraft Live 2022, the Minecraft 1.20 update will bring a bunch of new features into the game. Lucky for us, the developers have already revealed a few of them. One of the new features includes new default skins. As you can see with these 7 new default skins, this will bring diversity and representation into Minecraft. Not only that, but these characters also have names like Steve and Alex. There is now Noor, Sunny, Ari, Zuri, McKenna, Kay, and F. Another confirmed feature in the 1.20 update is hanging signs. These hanging signs will look like this and can be placed on any block. A few more examples of new features will be bamboo wooden rafts, chiseled bookshelves, changes in reshuffling to creative inventory, and many more. As mentioned at the beginning of this video, Minecraft is adding the Sniffer into the new update coming this year. However, Minecraft is also adding a new mob to the desert biome. Can you guess what it is? It's a camel. Camels will only naturally spawn in desert biomes, and when tamed, 2 players can ride the camel at the same time. However, you'll have to keep in mind that unlike horses, camels are slower on complex terrain, but they will have a dash ability, so they can cover flat areas much faster. In the past few years, Minecraft has teased several new and revamped biomes, but we've never actually seen some of those biomes. However, we might finally see some of them in Minecraft 1.20. In 2018, Minecraft had a biome vote where the community chose Taiga as the biome they wanted to get revamped. The developers said though that the other biomes would be revamped at a later time. Since a new mob is being added into the desert biome in the new update, the community speculates that the desert will finally be revamped as well. Not only that, but other biomes that lost the vote were the Badlands biome and the Savannah biome. The community strongly believes that these biomes will get updated as well. If they get updated, a revamped Savannah would have boab trees, decomposing plants, ostriches, and even termites. A revamped Badlands would get tumbleweeds, new cactuses, and loot-stealing vultures. Well, that's it for this video. What do you think about the upcoming update? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe though if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.